What's up guys, it's Blake with LS2 and today we're checking out one of the most talked about helmets in our 2026 lineup, the all new LS2 Assault III. This model is absolutely taking the world by storm, and once you see what comes standard, you'll understand why. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about what you get right out of the box with the Assault III. Every helmet ships exactly as pictured, featuring a pre-installed light electron iridium shield or light smoke shield, along with matching chrome or blacked out vents depending on the graphic. You also get a Pinlock 70 Max Vision insert included, plus an elastic carrying bag, making this an incredible all-in-one package from day one. No upgrades required to get the premium look and premium performance. As on all LS2 models, safety is a huge focus with the Assault III. The shell is constructed from kinetic polymer alloy, or KPA, designed to be lightweight while still delivering excellent energy absorption. It is DOT and ECE 2206 certified, giving you the confidence you need on any ride. It also features our Advanced Rotational Energy Management, or AREM, to protect against rotational forces. Additionally, multiple shell sizes ensure a proper fit across the entire size range from extra small to 3XL. Inside the Assault III, you'll find LS2's Extra Comfort Liner designed for long rides and everyday use. The liner is fully removable, washable, and breathable with hypoallergenic and antibacterial materials to keep things fresh. Multiple EPS sizes and cheek pad options help dial in a secure, comfortable fit with no pressure points. The shield system is one of the biggest highlights of the Assault III, and it makes history as the first ever LS2 helmet to feature our light electron iridium shields. The shield is ECE 2206 approved for nighttime riding, offering excellent visibility after dark, even though it features a tinted iridium finish. It's lighter than our standard electron iridium shields, striking the perfect balance between glare reduction during the day and clarity at night. The anti-scratch, UV-resistant shield provides a wide field of view and features a quick-release system for fast and easy swaps. The helmet also includes an internal sun shield for changing light conditions. Full electron iridium shields are available separately, but the Assault III already delivers an unbeatable, road-ready setup right out of the box. For a secure closure, the Assault III uses a micrometric buckle, making it easy to get in and out of while still providing a solid hold. An emergency release cheek pad system, reinforced chin strap, magnetic chin curtain, and shield locking button round out the safety features. Ventilation is handled by channel DPS paired with top and chin intake vents and a rear exhaust port. This dynamic airflow system helps move air efficiently through the helmet, keeping you cool and comfortable whether you're commuting or riding longer rides. Overall, the LS2 Assault III delivers an incredible balance of style, safety, and value. With its pre-installed light electron iridium shield or light smoke shield, bold graphics, and fully loaded feature set, this helmet is ready to ride straight out of the box. Check out ls2usa.com or find a dealer near you.